In the last episode, you saw me battle it out with a body kit that wanted to do anything but sit straight. I pondered the concept on how fiberglass is literally just glass that has confidence issues, and we finally assembled the kit in a position where it looked like the car was, well, one piece versus like a wide body kit sitting on top of another car with some poorly laid double-sided tape. And things were looking good, but then I remembered we're still leagues away from being done. Today's video is what every person with ADHD's worst nightmare, which is finishing this project, which is the body kit, and jumping into 3 more. Because really, what is sanity when you're a car person? The last time I welded something, the teacher cheated on my dad. So there's some Alex lore for you. But the welding, not half bad. I was stoked to learn how to do this because I've always wanted to have the basic skills to do it, just in case I was in a pinch. Now, I felt like a kid annoying his parents because after I was done demolishing my own fender, they gave me a couple coupons, apparently is what they're called, to practice my welds on. It's now on my desk. Hold on, it's right. Here's the first one. The first one right there. Okay. The second one, right there. And then the third one, right there. Which I learned how to MIG weld, by the way, boys and girls. You and I now officially know how to weld, and we're learning how to build a Time Attack Honda S2000.
This is why you and Nick are in a relationship. When you put on that mask, you're a whole different man. It's the gloves. It's the gloves! Men take notes. So TIG weld, like 4 points.
So this is wire feed.
Okay, what's the difference?
Gas model arc welding.
So today, we're gonna be welding stuff. And when I say we, I see mostly Jackson, but I'm gonna do one too. So for the very first time for a build, I'm actually doing a t-shirt, which I'm wearing right now. It's super, super simple. It shows the first stage of the S2000, and of course, it is the statement of in clapped car, we trust. Every time we sell one of these t-shirts, the money is directly going into this whole racing series idea with the Time Attack car. So if you wanna check it out, it's over on the website, over on Martini Works. It would mean the absolute world. Plus, it's super comfortable. I had a ton of fun actually making this one. And this is one of 2 designs we're doing for the S2000. The second one will be coming out once you actually see the car finished, which I'm really, really excited for. So go check it out. Appreciate it so much. Back to the video. The side skirts needed 2 new brackets to fit snuggy as f***, and because I'm a welder, I could do that now. The new brackets were also on for the headlights, which meant no more loosey ratatouille, and gas cap flange cut is still not done. Gas door check. It's not any wider in my opinion. It's 80 hours worth of work right there. I'm about to show you what a master welder looks like. Right? Well, it's impossible for me to mess up because I've done this so much. I give this a 10 out of 10.
You're going way too fast.
Could you put that gas door in really quick? Can you do that? All right, now come over here. Everybody please come over here. It looks the same. We went backwards. We lost the bumper and the wheels. But, yes, that ain't going nowhere. might be wondering, Alex, that wasn't very professional. The answer is I know, but it's a race car. So we're just gonna keep moving forward. I hope you guys would do the same. We got the bracket put on, so the headlight is sitting proper. This side is looking pretty good. We obviously have a little bit of gap that we want to take care of here, but we're sitting in a much better spot than what we were in terms of making it fit last time. With that little flange, if you guys remember, we had that right here on the kit, so we just decided get rid of that and just use our own. Now, if I could leave a tip for anyone building a car in like a tighter space or in a garage and you're kind of stuck and snuggy up, spend some time and clean it up. And I got even more shit in the mail that I had to find a home for, which meant I was running out of space faster than I was putting parts on the car again. So every once in a while, what happens is people will send me stuff. And probably the most common stuff I get sent, just because they want to, not because I asked, are chemical supplies. And guys, chemical supplies are one of those things where I do really feel it's like 90% branding, 10% product. And I try to be super honest with these guys and gals that send me this stuff to say, if I don't like it, I'm not gonna use it. And I've done that before. I've actually done that plenty of times. And so with Martini Works kind of working to get its chemical line on the website for you guys, we've been testing out different stuff. And so really quick, I wanted to show you what just got sent to me. They didn't pay me for this. They're just sending it for me to try. So I figured, why not show you what typically comes in one of these little care packs, if you will. So this is from Malco Products. And what they sent me was a 20-liter bucket, an auto scrub mitt, some spray glass stuff, and a whole bunch of other things. My God. Carpet and upholstery cleaner, all-purpose dressing, clean and shine, non-acid formula, all-in-one polish and protection, biodegradable cleaner, glass cleaner. My gosh, it doesn't end. I don't know what this is. Ceramic spray. Okay. A box. Guys, I haven't washed my car myself in a minute. I don't really have this like space for it, in case you couldn't tell. There's 6 of these in here for professional use only. Good news. I'm a master mechanic, so that shouldn't be an issue at all. The whole goal here though is to show you what I get sent, and then when you see it, and if you see it in videos, you know why. Because right now, I'm not gonna tell you to buy this. Frankly, I don't even know if it's any good. I wanna try it first myself as just like a normal car guy versus saying, go buy everything that somebody sells me or sends me, because that's how you get left with a whole bunch of. But Malco's been around since like the 50s, I think, so like 70 some years. And I know that they know their way around chemical products. The branding kind of seems a little bit like dated and old, but I don't know. For me, I almost like that more because hopefully it puts more emphasis on the actual stuff. So I don't know why I'm showing you this as I'm working on the S2K, but we gotta get the S2K painted and then I gotta clean this garage for the 9th. Let me know what you guys think about the build, not about this. We're not there yet with this. The last video you saw me read a Game of Thrones level rulebook that tells me how far a wing can stand up, what size engine I can throw in a car, and what safety equipment I need to have. More specifically, tow hooks, a roll cage, and some interior bits and pieces to keep things from staying on fire once they start. And I should be clear, GridLife did a solid job with the explanation because I was able to ensure that this roll cage could actually do the job. This is one of the many things that is going to keep me alive, because just like cutting things towards me like I'm not supposed to, I have a feeling that when I learn how to do all of this time attack stuff, I'm gonna make a couple mistakes. And I'm sure you guys know this as much as I do. As much as we all want to pretend like we're Max Verstappen out on the field, I have a feeling it's gonna be a little bit more like Logan Sargent. So I wanna show you what this roll bar is, because it is a beefy one, guys. And I've had it for a while. Probably the only good thing about getting in this car is the fact that it reminds me that I have it. It smells like disappointment and a build that's taken way too long. Well, that is quite the conundrum. That was the part of the video where this was supposed to come down. There, look at that. We got a whole new car. And this is somehow supposed to go in there. Not really sure how